Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your Threads profile private. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Instagram to log in. Once you are logged in, you will end up within the homepage, where you will see various different threads. Now in order to make your profile private, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner. From this page, tap on Edit Profile, and this will take you into the Profile Edit menu where you will see the Private Profile option. If you tap on the toggle and then turn it on, this will enable your profile as a private profile. You can then tap on the Done button and your profile will be made private on the Threads app right away. You can come back to this setting and turn off this toggle and then tap on the Done button if you wish to make it public once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to make your profile private on Threads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.